Hey guys, I just went and got my mail and I saw that I finally received my Simply Gilded 12 Days of Christmas box, and I wanted to go ahead and open this for you on camera. I usually do this every year. I don't really do hauls anymore, but this is something that I thought I would film if you wanted to be spoiled and see what was in it. I know the shipping was delayed this year and there's already a lot of issues with shipping especially in the United States right now from everything going on, and on top of it, all the Christmas volume of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what was in here. So the first thing that's on top, I haven't gone any farther than just opening the box. The first thing that was on top here were these 3 journaling cards in this kind of like tranquil watercolor ombre with silver foil. So I think tranquil was the theme of this box. And then these really pretty pink foiled seals. And then this is everything. I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff out of the box because this box is like quite unwieldy. That way I can better show you guys what's going on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these. I'm gonna try to do them in order. So we're just gonna jump right into it. So the first one here feels like washi, yes. Is washi. Ooh, there's like there's 2 sets in here. So the first one is this really pretty minty sea foam with gold foil and polka dots. And I can't remember how much the cost of the box was, but I will put it in here so you can get an idea of like what the value of this was. And then there's really pretty stardust, and it has like a mauve-y and like that like transition into mint and silver and looks like rose gold or like pink foil. And then I'm guessing at number 2 is stickers. I will say I prefer washi to the stickers. Oh, it looks like there's some scripts in here. So there's all kinds of stuff going on. All right, so there are just like, looks like black non-foiled scripts that say work, home, play. And then this shattered glass hollow. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see the numbers on camera because they're kind of difficult to see in person, but those are like date stars, I guess. And there's some icons on the bottom there, if you can see that on camera. And then the same situation here with like a chunky gold bokeh glitter hollow situation going on. Then some icons on like a plaid background that kind of seem like they're gonna match the theme of the kit. And then these like bow stickers, which I have in some other foils, I think from the 12 Days box last year. That's kind of like this dark, it feels like that's a dark pink foil, but is it supposed to be black? I don't know. It's like a dark pink looking color. I don't really know what that is. And then these gold rainbows, and then that same chunky gold glitter looks like juniper cooking, and there's some meal plan and meal prep hearts there, and then hollow juniper bunnies. And I will probably give these away or sell them just because I don't really tend to go for those kinds of stickers. If I'm being honest, I buy this just for the washi, and if there's anything else that I like in there, then I just consider it like a bonus. So then there are these washis, which are like a light pink with like that pearl pink foil on top, which I have stuff. So these look like they're headers or like labels like canceled, rescheduled, that sort of things. And then the green water tracker, which I believe is perforated to like fit across like the standard day in a Aura cell inserts. And then it looks like bow headers in there. I know for sure that I will sell or rack the hydration tracker as well as this. I just don't use header washi, And I won't use this. I don't know if you can see. It's like a chunky, hollow situation going on, which is cool, but I just don't track those things. I will definitely keep this silver foiled header washi. I don't always use it necessarily for headers, but I will use it on my sidebar. It's perforated, so I don't have to cut anything, but I will definitely, I like use this kind of washi when I'm stacking my sidebar in between, you know, checklists or habit trackers, that sort of thing, to zhuzh up the sidebar. Number 4 feels like washi again. Ooh. So this is bow washi with like a coppery, I think that's a copper foil, not rose gold. And that is that same plaid that was in the stickers. I'm trying to like find it in here and that's not going well for me. So this is the same plaid as this sheet. So usually when she does sets like this, everything kind of coordinates in some way, shape, or form. And then this really, really beautiful floral washi that is stunning. Will that focus that close up? Yeah, just really beautiful. I will definitely be using that. And then number 5 feels like stickers. Okay, they're like seals. So I will usually end up taking these to work. I used to give them out to like kids. Oh, these are really cute. I like those owls a lot. These would be cute to seal like letters or cards. I just don't send out that much mail anymore, but that's that same kind of like, it looks black, but then it tilts, seeing it like a bigger chunk of it. So that's like, you can tell it kind of looks black head on, and then, does that make sense? And then more bows, more of that like black pink duochrome stitch going on. I don't really know what the color of that would be. Ooh, the moon's then in chunky rainbow and like a really pretty purple. So it's like the same as that was like on top of the box. Cool, cool, cool. Next, these are like all ripped. I don't know if it just got like jostled around. There's like a giant, oh, that's funny. It's this large pink pleather bow that's like a clip-on that you could use, I don't know, it's like a dangle thing on like a purse or something. I honestly have no idea what you would use this for. If you have like an idea for how you would use this, please leave it in the comments down below, but I will be passing this along to someone else because I'm not really into like all of the dangly, I like some of the metal keychains, I'll put them on my work bag, but I don't like stuff. Like I don't like holding on to like little trinkets. I know people use stuff for like photo props and everything, but like I don't have photo props because I get rid of everything. I like can't stand holding on to clutter. So we have some more washi. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. Oh wow, that's really beautiful. No, okay. This gorgeous silver cityscape washi, and I will unroll all of the washi I'm keeping. I'm not gonna unroll washi that I'm gonna, you know, pass on to someone else because that's rude, but like a really pretty wintry cityscape. And then I'll open these up. It looks like there's 3 different washis here with like that split. She's been doing more of these. I've seen a couple like this in her recent new releases and in the monthly subscription box, but it looks like there's kind of like a mauve-y purple, a mauve-y like taupey pink, and that same like mint seafoamy color with the silver. I like that. I like thin washi. I tend to be able to use that more like within a spread than thick washi. Like thick washi I'll use on the bottom, but you know. And then number 8 is a pouch with like a nice soft lining on the inside, so you could put stuff in there and it wouldn't get scratched up. I am not really one for pouches, just like everything else. I don't like to have a ton of extras lying around, so I will definitely be either racking this or I might like do a big bulk post on buy, sell, trade. I don't know. So then Number 9. Okay, this is, I'm not going to open this up. I think this is one of the albums based on how thick it is, like a plant, like you could use it to, I'll open this real quick and then slide it back in because I will not be holding on to this either. It does feel okay. It feels kind of plasticky. Yeah, so it's like a photo album that you could also use to like store kits or stickers, and it has the gold dots on the inside. But I will be passing this on as well. I just don't use this kind of stuff. I'm actually like surprised how little washi is in this year's. Do other people use a lot of like the extra, like the accessory kind of stuff? Is that, I'm like not really part of like any planner Facebook. I don't use Facebook, so like I'm not part of any of those groups where people like are talking about that kind of stuff. So maybe I'm like the odd one out and everyone else like really loves everything, but like I'm a washi person. So this is why, you know, why I buy this, because I wanted this galaxy. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty. I love mint. So we have the standard stack for a galaxy set. And we have the bow, we have the constellations. There's this washi, which this one is actually like a pearlescent, like it doesn't have a foil for like the little stars and hearts and stuff. The whole thing just like has a pearlescent sheen. And then the silver moons. And then number 11 feels like pens, which I do actually keep the pens. I do like the pens. They write nicely, like not for writing in my planner, but when I'm writing lists or taking notes at work, I take them to work and I like having cute pens. I leave some of them at home. Sometimes I'll like put a pen in my pen loop on my Aura Estelle to match a spread to take a photo. And then this notepad, which I will probably just pass on, but I will definitely keep this pen because I love this mint color. And then this feels like, okay, it's a desk calendar for 2021. So I think it stands up. It looks like there's a base that like unfolds so it could like, I can't do that like on there, so it would like stand up. I'm not gonna open this again because I don't wanna like wrinkle anything, but it looks like there's artwork on different, just like looking at the bottoms, like different artwork for different months, I'm assuming. But I will, just knowing myself, I won't use this, so I will pass this on to someone who will. So these are all of the washies that I am keeping. So pretty much all of the washi except for the water tracker and the header washi that for whatever reason my camera won't focus on. There we go. These are the two that I'm not keeping, so I'm going to not swatch those. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of mileage out of this very like neutral plaid with the copper bows because we know how I feel about copper. I will say these two are nearly indistinguishable. This one is like slightly lighter and maybe like a little pinker, and this is more like a nude, like a ballet, like a, if you did ballet, like you know what I'm talking about, like the soft ballet shoe like leather that's almost like a brown taupey pink more than like a true pink. I don't know if that like makes sense or not, but that's like what the color that's popping into my head is like the color of like those like soft leather ballet slippers before you go to point. But yeah, I really love the mint. I think that like polka dot is really pretty, and there's definitely washies in here that I can see working well with a lot of kits. I can't get it to pick up on camera, but the other foil in there is like a hollow pink kind of sort of situation going on. The silver's picking up really nicely, but it's hard to get the other one on camera. It's like a little more muted, like a matte hollow. Does that even make sense? I don't know, but it's not like as shiny as the silver, and the camera's only picking up the silver. I do really like these three. I don't know, this is like just got that like pearlescent overlay on it, but like watch me say that and then I'm gonna end up using it in like 5 spreads this spring or something, because that is like a pretty like nude, that like same nude pinky ballet slipper kind of like nude pink color. So I am happy with these. I do think that these could have been, which like, again, it could have been like they were meant to be a little more different than they were, and like the printer didn't give the same, like the colors that they were, I don't know. Those were pretty similar. So I like the washies I got. I don't know if this is my favorite Simply Gilded box, if I'm being honest, just because for me personally, I don't gravitate towards a lot of the extra stuff. And I feel like, which I haven't rewatched my video from last year, basically since I put it up, but I feel like there was more washi in last year's, because I remember doing like holding the washi like this, but I feel like there was more of it. So I don't know. I could be totally crazy. I do like the washi that was in here, but I wish that there was an option that we could do to do these boxes and just get the washi in them and not all of the extras. Because even like with the Simply Gilded, like the monthly subscription box, I find myself basically just keeping the washi and sometimes the pen, and like every once in a while there's like a magnet or something that I'll keep, but I really wish I could just get the washi because I don't feel like I really end up using the other stuff. But like I said, I do really like the washi that is in here. It's very pretty and the colors are very usable, especially like I gravitate towards like mints and that kind of stuff. So this is perfect for that. I feel like a lot of kits like in the spring have like mint and pink. Like that's a common, you know, going back to the old like May colors from like 5 years ago and like planner dating myself now. But so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I wasn't like more upbeat in this. Like I am genuinely, I do like really like the washi that was in here. I just don't like enthuse when I'm opening planner stuff, which is part of why I stopped doing hauls, because even when I really like something, I just come across as apathetic all the time. So you know, it's just something I'm self-conscious about. But I will have, obviously, Simply Gilded linked down below. These are sold out. I don't know if she will have overstock from these or anything like that. I honestly have no idea. I don't pay attention to anything online, and like I'm not in any of the Facebook groups or anything, so I don't know if she's doing that. Sometimes like for subscription boxes she does, but I don't know if she plans to do that for like the advent, or if this is like a one and done, if you missed it kind of thing. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just rambling now, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye guys!